Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for yarn. Let's crochet this cute Oreo cookie. Pull the yarn around your 3 fingers, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called magic ring. Chain 2. After that, yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring, pull up a loop, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. It's called double crochet. We should make 12 double crochet into our magic ring like this. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. After that, just tie the yarn and close our magic ring. Insert your hook into the first double crochet, yarn over and pull through. This is called slip stitch. Next row, chain 2. Yarn over, insert your hook in same stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops. Again, 1 more half double crochet into the same stitch. You should make in this row, in each stitch, 2 half double crochet like this. In the end of each row, you should make a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the first half double crochet, yarn over and pull through. Chain 1. And insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. Next stitch, 2 single crochet into the same stitch. This is called increase. Again, next stitch, 1 single crochet. Next stitch, 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Follow this pattern for this row. In the end, just chain 1, tie the yarn, cut it and tie it. Use your needle and sew just like this, and you can like this fasten off and just cut it with your scissor. For a cookie, you should crochet until row 3, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. This is called slip stitch. For this row, you should make in each stitch 1 slip stitch. And again, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. In the end, again, a slip stitch into the first slip stitch, like this, and chain 1, tie the yarn, cut it and tie it. And I stick 3 pieces like this with glue, and I show you how to make it as a keychain, just like this. So easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.